welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I just wanted to vlog Eldoret because my brother was coming to Eldoret, so I decided to come here with him and vlog it. And it's a pretty nice place. It reminds me of Nakuru, but Nakuru is more developed, so it's more of a better, like there's more traffic, there's more people around and all that. So Nakuru is more developed than here. But anyways, I came here to see actually Rupa's Mall. I hear so much about it, so I'm going to check it out right now. Right now I'm in town and it's pretty busy right now, and we just had our tea. So yeah, and the roads are so nice to Eldoret. We reached so fast. I didn't even feel it. 3 hours passed so fast and I didn't even feel it. Everyone's staring at me, and this is what I don't like about being a YouTuber. So yeah, so my cousin is here, Zain. You guys know Zain?
Hi, how are you?
Oh, by the way, he's doing well in his English now, and he's doing good English, and we're gonna ask him a few questions. Zain, how are you?
Fine, I'm fine. You good? Eldoret is so nice. So cold weather.
It's hot. It's not cold.
It's cold.
Okay, yeah, it's kind of, it's like medium, it's like moderate weather, it's like calm, I would say. So anyways, if you guys want to see my vlog, then please keep watching. The sun just came out, guys. The sun just came out. Hi, sun.
How are you? If you love tea, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and comment down below the tea emoji, the teacup emoji, if you're a fan of chai, guys. So we just had our tea in this restaurant right here. It's called Lion's Mead Ice Cream Veg Curries Eldoret Limited. These are are so pretty, guys. Look at how they look. They have like two hearts in them, and I love them, guys. So look at these. Look at these brown ones. So in love, guys. So in love, and so cheap. I love them so much, guys. These are brown and those ones are black. So I want to see what more I can get. Just look at these here. So pretty. Earrings heaven, guys. Earrings heaven. Eldoret has good life. What? Nakuru doesn't have good life. Can we please like bring good life here?
Very nice.
So basically, I just wanted to quickly mention that yes, we traveled during the curfew and we have to be home before 7 p.m. So we're so freaking scared. What if we don't reach home on time? Let's go this way. So what if we don't reach home on time? We left home at around 6:30.
6:30.
And we reached to Eldoret at around 10. We reached Eldoret at around 10, and it just took us like 2 hours 30 minutes to get here. Usually it takes longer when there is traffic, but there were no cars on the road, so luckily we took less time. And yes, I mean Nairobi and Mombasa and other places are still in lockdown. So yeah, luckily Nakuru is not in lockdown, but we just have a curfew that we have to meet and reach home on time. So hopefully we'll leave here early by 3 p.m. so we can get home at least before 6. Guys, we just changed Zane's screen protector from one of the shops here, and the lady was so nice. She even let me film her changing the protector.
Yes, we just changed it.
So yeah, now he has a nice clean phone. So we just did some shopping. Did you have fun?
Yeah, it's very,
It
very.
wasn't even that expensive. It was such a nice shop, and they allowed me to vlog. I mean, I appreciate people who allow me to vlog, guys.
Thank you. I'm so exhausted, guys. I'm sitting on the streets.
So guys, guess what happened? Long story short, we were caught by cops because we weren't wearing the mask. Like for 5 minutes, we weren't wearing our masks and we were caught. Where are you going? Hi, we're coming. So just for 5 minutes we were caught. We were not wearing the mask, so we were caught, and then the cops were trying to make us remove some cash and all that, but he ended up taking us around the whole building, me and Zain, and he was trying to make Zain talk, but Zain can't speak English, so it was really hard. He didn't speak anything, so I ended up talking and all that, but he took us around the whole building, and then we ended up paying him a bit and he left us. And so yeah, that's what happened. And basically they're catching everyone, even on the roads, when we were coming to Eldoret, they were so many cops on the way, checking if you're wearing masks. I look so fair. If you're wearing masks on the way and during traveling and all that. So yeah, you guys, you need to be careful. Please wear your masks everywhere. Yeah, that's all. Zain and me chilling. So basically we are on the lift now, going upstairs. Take a picture. So guys, we just got home. It's around almost 6 o'clock right now, and it's about to rain, so I said let me just do this outro very quickly. So I left you guys at where I was shopping at Mr. Price. So after we came out from Mr. Price, we went and had lunch, which we had KFC takeaway, and after that after that we just, and we left. That's it. I guess that's all you guys missed out on. That's all I didn't vlog. Yeah, so after I got in the car, I just went to sleep, and then by the time I woke up, we were already here 3 hours later. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to subscribe. I forgot to tell you, did I tell you guys the part where we were caught by cops? Yeah, I told you guys that part, but I didn't tell you the whole story. Actually, what happened is we were entering a shop to check out some nice lights, and then I wanted to talk to the person who was serving me, so I put my mask down. By the time I put my mask down, there was already a cop behind me, and he was like, follow me. I was like, am I gonna be jailed because of vlogging or something like that? But anyways, it was the mask issue and it was my fault. So anyways, that's what happened. Anyways, I have nothing else to say except I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So exhausted, going to sleep right now, as you guys can see.